Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new project to share with you. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to share with you a new project today. So this is my strawberry patch mini album that I created using my digital collection for the month of June. So you can find the digital collection and the tutorial on my Patreon. So as you guys know, on my Patreon every month I create a new digital collection and a tutorial to go with it as well. And so for those of you who are not into Patreon, I will also be having this link on my website, and so yeah, you can find all of that on the description box as well. So I am in love with this collection because it is just so beautiful and so sweet. Let me give you a close-up here of the cover. So I went ahead and used some bling, some beautiful prima flowers, some trim, and also some glossy accents to create this beautiful little strawberry patch scene. And I also went ahead and made some of these pieces very movable and interactive. So we have this cute little girl here that she can move, and then the balloons can move as well. And then I built a little scene using the paper collection, and yeah, I just love how this turned out. So this book measures 8.5 by 8.5, and it has a 2-inch spine. Here we have another beautiful little girl, part of the collection, and the butterflies, and then this is the back here. So let's take a look inside. I just love playing with all of these little pieces, and I actually think the glossy accents just adds so much shine to the cover here. So I went ahead and used that on every strawberry, so on her dress, on her hat, on her little hair, the balloon strawberries, which are my favorites, then the strawberries on the fans, even back here. So I just love all the shine that brings to the cover. But now let's go ahead and open these up. So I really had a lot of fun making in this book here. So as you can see, we have 2 sections, and this section here is one of kind of like a new page design that I created, which is a little peekaboo frame. And so over here we have a place for a picture, but I also went ahead and added the image from the collection, but this will be a beautiful place there for a picture. And then this thing here slides up, and then here's where the peekaboo comes to play, because we have a second image here on the back. So if you were adding your pictures, you can have one image displaying, and then when you open it up, you can have a second image here, a second picture on the display. So I thought that was really fun, and I just love how these turned out. But also this page here opens up, so let me move this to the side like this, and then over here we have a place for a picture, and then this opens and opens, and then these two also open down, and then even the photo mat pink cardstock that I added here, I made those two also open up for some additional picture places there. So that's another idea. Instead of just putting your paper down, you can always make flaps with the background or complementary cardstock, so to maximize even more places for pictures. And I absolutely love the collection. The collection, I think, is really sweet. And I did get a message, somebody emailed me from the website to see, usually when I put my collections on my website, I usually just put the cover. So I think I'm gonna start just doing like a little, I don't know, preview of the pages, because usually I do that when I showcase the project. You can see all the different page designs, but I will try to do like a little slideshow showing all the collections if you just want to purchase the collections from the website. Now when you join Patreon, you have access to all of the previous collections. So let's say you join on the month of June, you will have access to all the collections that I have put up until this point for the past 2 years. And so, okay, so now on this other side over here, we have this large area. So I did collage some different images in here. And then I added these after I did the tutorial. So I had this little piece of scraps and I just made that into a cute little booklet opening, and then I added the bling all around, so I think that looks really cute. And then this page opens here, and then we have over here just the pocket and the beautiful image, cute little boy over here, and then just a place for pictures, and that goes on this pocket. You can add more there as well. And then these two opened up like that, and this is my favorite part of the book. And it's gonna be really hard to show, but we have over here two pop-ups, like two twin size pop-up pages. So I'm gonna have to show you one at a time because I just don't have enough area here on the camera. But we open this up, and then we have a pop-up, and then the little boy, and then we have the sun flying up in the air, and then over here this opens down, so you have room for 5 by 6 pictures here. And then this also opens to the side, so these are 4 by 5.5, so you can put a 5 by 7 here crop, or a 4 by 6 here a little bit crop. And then we have the fun little pop-up. And then on the other side you have another fun pop-up page here, so kind of like the same thing, but over here we have a little girl, and then we have the clouds. And then you can always add pictures here. I wanted to leave one of the sides kind of like just ready to put a picture here. And then this opens down, and then this opens to the side, so same as the other section, but I just thought it was really fun to kind of have those twin pop-up pages. And then over here you can add a picture. Love the paper here with the yellow background, and then same thing on this other side. And then here on the center, as you saw, this is a spinnable piece, and so I just wanted to do kind of like a window page, and then each one of these opens up. So that's opens up like that, so you can put 3 by 3 pictures here. This one opens, and this one opens like that, and then these all close, and each one of these also opens up like that, and it opens up, and it opens up. And we have these fun carousel pictures, so let me give you a look over here. So they all open, and then you can spin it as you look at your pictures on each one of these sections. So you can put pictures here, pictures on these two sides. And then, by the way, over here, I know this bends, but if you put a picture, like a square picture, and you only glue it on this bottom section, then you can actually put one full 3 by 3 picture, or you can crop 2, right? But when this folds, that picture won't fold if you only glue it on the bottom section. So that's just like a little tip. And then each one of these has this little opening flap, which is actually a little removable small booklet. Look how cute this is. So again, you can put over here 2.5 by 2.5 pictures, and then these just go back here. So each one of these sections has a little pocket, and I wanted to make this movable so it's easy to kind of take out and look at your pictures or add your pictures. And then you can also put another picture back there as well. And then, so again, this all spins around, so you have tons of room for pictures. These all come out as well. So I thought it was really fun making this little carousel, and I have done this carousel before, but this one is just more interactive with the pocket and with the opening flaps here. So I thought it was super fun to put. And so this was the collection for the month of June, again on Patreon, but you can always find all my digital collections on my website. I'm gonna have a link down below so you can kind of browse through my collections now, and same as the video classes. But I also want to invite you to join our Patreon, because it's not just fun with the collections, but it's also a lot of motivation that I try to put in there. there, and now I just started a new scrapbooking podcast, and I'm just super excited to create more content there with the new podcast. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.